Nature interpretation and outreach through signage, design interventions are the key for the next generation zoos. Zootopia is an outcome of this vision plan exercise where the primary aim is to encourage the pool of young talent, especially the degree students of architecture and design, to come up with out of box solutions and to propose innovative designs for the Model Zoo Interpretation Center at par with global standards at Mysuru Zoo.
It would be so wonderful if you could do something so that people, the visitors, come to understand the contribution these animals and birds have made in making our planet what it is.
Series of webinars with subject matter experts starting today have been planned to spread the importance of zoo design and planning in the field of architecture, planning and design.
Central Zoo Authority is a small statutory, as they say, is a small body which draws its powers or its duties from the Act, and its primary role is to regulate zoos.
It's one of the oldest zoo in our country. It was established in 1892 by the then Maharaja Sri Chamarajendra. In the zoo design and management, you can adopt an ecosystem basis or an taxonomic basis.
A healthy forest system.
Designing good qualities zoos is very important.
Containing the
all the tigers.
There are other
The series of webinars and the panel discussions with the subject matter have been planned to spread the importance of zoo design and planning in the field of architecture, planning, design, and also communicate the need and importance of a holistic view of a multidisciplinary approach.
Even in our houses,
inhabitants of regions through visual quality.
And I think that is been
Zoo, other than providing entertainment to the visitors, is also a center for learning. The learning of biodiversity, learning about the animals. So this Nature Interpretation Center is an important source or tool of management for providing necessary knowledge and training, especially to the persons who are visiting these zoos.
As far as the entries are concerned, we have received some very vibrant and innovative ideas from the students and the competitors and the participants, which can definitely be developed into workable schemes.
followed by the holograms projected.
we need to understand that any design has to be realistic. We indeed wish to go as far as our imagination could take us. But then, given the fact that something has to be on the ground, one has to be also very realistic.
Thanks to the organizers for presenting this opportunity to young designers of country. This really inspires us to want to contribute towards the building of our nation.
It was really thought-provoking and helped us improve our skill sets. I think getting to understand the project at such a great scale in nature has been a great learning experience.
We had presented to you Sahyadri, our Nature Interpretation Center. It was a very new experience designing an interpretation center for a zoo, and we got to learn a lot about the Western Ghats and the zoo, and it was really fun.
We are very privileged to be a part of this competition, Zootopia 2021, organized by Niti Aayog, Tel Innovation Mission, Government of India. We got to learn a lot about nature, wildlife and its conservation, and of course the conservation of heritage and our old monuments.
Please accept my heartfelt congratulations to all the participants, and I really appreciate all your hard efforts with which you have incorporated macro to micro detailing in your entries. I truly enjoyed each and every aspect, from seeing your views on the plans of the Interpretation Center to incorporation of innovative technologies, as well as astonishing ideas which you have presented, and also the way all of you have presented your innovations so meticulously and confidently.